Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the quick unboxing of the Google Pixel Buds A series. Found out yesterday I was getting these delivered by FedEx today. Bam, here they are. Going to be sharing my experience with you, so be looking forward to either a morning vlog video, afternoon vlog video, or me right here at my YouTube desk. Either way, that information will be coming to you soon. Really quick though, what you're not going to get with these $99 Pixel Buds A series in comparison to the Google Pixel Buds 2, you're not going to get wireless charging. Okay, that's just one of those areas that Google cut back on, which is understandable. You're not going to have swipe control as far as volume, but you can use the Google Assistant to do that for you, and all of that's connected. I went through that quick setup, and so that's there ready to go. All I have to say is, hey Google, turn up the volume, and I can say one notch, couple notches, 3 notches. I can say turn it all the way up, turn it all the way down, and it does that. So it's really cool to at least have that working with the A series with the Google Assistant. With these guys, you're obviously going to have the swipe forward and the swipe back to control your volume up and down. But again, you get wireless charging here. You don't get that here. As far as notification, because we don't have wireless charging on the A series, you can see that there's your little LED light right there. You don't have one on the inside. Now, if you look at the Buds 2, get that in there, right here, and on the inside there, and you can just tell the quality of the material on the Buds 2 just a lot stronger. It's just more solid. But for 99 smacks, I actually like the lighter casing here. I really do, and I got that gray color on the inside there. You got 2 magnetic pins on the A series and 3 magnetic pins on the Buds 2. I think the major ones is the wireless charging. I know some of you like to have that, and the swipe controls as far as going forward and back on the earbuds themselves. But you have the single tap to pause and play, double tap to go forward a track, and triple tap to go back a track, which is pretty simple. And again, they are in my ears now.
And I'm gonna go ahead and tap on my right ear and get this song playing here. You're not gonna hear it, but okay. Now I'm going to tap again and pause, and single tap again to play. And I'm going to double tap to skip forward a track. Triple tap to go back.
Just like that. Hey Google, turn up the volume. Now it literally takes about 3 seconds for that action to happen. So there is a little bit of a delay there. Hey Google, turn it all the way up. And bam. I don't know if you can hear the buds. They're loud in my ear though. Probably talking really loud. Okay, Google, turn it all the way down to level 2. There we go. Okay. There was one area I just remembered that you're not going to get on the A series, but you don't get it on these guys either, the Google Pixel Buds 2, and that is you don't have active noise cancellation, which for some of you might be a deal breaker, the wireless charging, but for me it does not matter, because actually if I'm wearing 1 or 2 buds and I'm at work early in the morning, I still have to be attentive to the fact that I could get an overhead call or the phone could ring. So have them turned down to a certain volume, and then I'm able to pay attention to what I'm doing and listening for a phone call that comes in again, or if it's something overhead in the meat department. Not having everything canceled out allows me to hear what's going on around my surrounding area. So that's very important. So both of these aren't going to have that noise cancellation. So again, for some of you, that's something that you want, so it could be a deal breaker. But for me, not a deal breaker whatsoever. But that's it, man. Controls are working. Using the Google Assistant to control the volume is working. If there is a way to actually show that go up and down, maybe I'll figure that out. If there is, I don't know, you can tell me down below. But I just got these, I'm using them. I'm just doing this semi-quick video. But everything working the way they should. I'm fine without the swipe forward and back for the volume. For me, it's just getting used to using the Google Assistant that's here for me more than I ever have before. And I'll tell you, that's just something that I wasn't really into as much going back a couple years. But every year that goes by that I do this here on my Project 13, reviewing smartphones and all the different functionalities, I'm utilizing more and more as I grow in what I do, and for me personally, and then I share that with all of you. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll give you an update. But for right now, 99 Smacks, well worth it in my opinion. I mean, really well worth it. I like the light container here. The little eggshell type container that holds the A series. Again, it's solid enough. Wireless charging is not a big deal for me, so I'm not going to worry about that. But again, you gotta ask yourself what you want. But for 99 Smacks, comparison to whatever these are right now, but you are going to get more. So if you want more, bam. If you want a little less, 99 Smacks, and you're just going to be just fine in my opinion. So there we go. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. I'm out.